we've got another Target 12 investigation. A top candidate for Rhode Island Attorney General is out of the race after only 4 days.
Democratic State Rep Bob Craven ended his campaign just hours before Target 12 was set to reveal new details about his past legal troubles. Tim White is here now with those details.
The criminal cases against Bob Craven were expunged from the record, but Target 12 uncovered details about a 2001 domestic violence incident in the family court archives, and the documents raised questions about whether he had been honest about what had happened. In 2001, long before Bob Craven entered the General Assembly, he was arrested by North Kingstown police for alleged domestic violence. Earlier this week, Craven told the Boston Globe the case had been dismissed and he had never laid a hand on his wife. But in a restraining order application to the court at the time, his wife wrote that Craven had been verbally and physically abusive during the marriage, and on September 4th that year, they got into an argument. She wrote that he threatened to, quote, beat the expletive out of me. She also wrote that Craven grabbed me by the throat and neck. The court granted the restraining order, renewing it multiple times during the divorce proceeding. Craven ultimately pleaded no contest, and the case was expunged after a year. He and his wife later reconciled. Craven is the chairman of the powerful House Judiciary Committee and was seen as a leading contender to succeed incumbent AG Peter Nerona. On Wednesday, Target 12 asked Craven for an interview about the findings. Less than 24 hours later, he ended his campaign. In a statement Thursday, Craven told Target 12 he spent Wednesday talking to his family, writing, "I learned more details about my conduct that night, details that had been lost in the fog of too much alcohol." He added, "Because my family and my sobriety must come first, I am ending my campaign today." Records show Craven was also sued by a law client who alleged legal malpractice. The 2003 lawsuit reveals Craven had a sexual relationship with her when he first represented her in a divorce case. Craven was charged in 2 other misdemeanor cases. They were dismissed, and Craven has said they did not involve his wife. With the Target 12 investigators, Tim White, 12 News.